Hi, I'm Madeline.
And I'm Wesley.
And we are part of 2611, the Jacktown Vectors, and we are from Jackson, Michigan. And this is our 2026 rebuilt robot. We're gonna start in the very front with our intake. This is pivoting upwards, not manually in the field when we are driving it. And that is pivoting off of this motor over here. And the motors,
they are Kraken X60s. We're using probably only about 50% of the power that these motors can provide. They're very powerful motors and give us plenty enough power to pivot this whole heavy mechanism in and out of our robot extremely fast.
Moving into our transition, we have 4 shafts here, and they all are rotating in the same backwards direction, pushing the fuel from our intake into our double shooter. And for the motors,
we're again using Kraken X60s. This one, I think we're only spinning at 500 RPM. Otherwise, we kick the fuel up and almost out of our robot.
Yes, they're very, very powerful, so we gotta be careful. Moving into our double shooter, we have 4 Krakens up here, and those are spinning these flywheels to, again, push and feed our fuel upwards and out so that we can score it into the hub.
We're using 2 Kraken X60s to spin this up because we've got some pretty heavy flywheels on here. I believe we pull around 160 amps on this, and it spins up in right around half a second to a second. Up top, we have 4 cameras that are getting us our robot position on the field. They're all wired into 2 Orange Pi coprocessors underneath the robot. Going below the robot, we're using SDS Mark 5N swerve drive. They're powered with the drive motor as Kraken X60s, and the turn motor is X44s. The X44s turn a lot faster than the Kraken X60s, so that helps us get our swerve modules lined up as fast as we can get them. This whole thing was programmed using CTRE's Tuner X, the swerve generator on it.
And then on the bottom of our bot, we have our CTR pigeon and our CTR canivore.
We're using the canivore to help separate our CAN buses. We do this because if we cut a cable on the top during a match, we want our drivetrain to still be available. This allows us to still play defense if something goes wrong on the top side. The canivore also has a lot higher of a refresh rate than the Robo-Rio with CAN, which helps with communication issues, and it also helps us with CAN bus utilization.
And moving into, before we got to this polished robot, in our prototyping process, we knew that we wanted our intake to pivot, so we were trying to figure out a way to get that mechanism to work and how to drive it. But during that process, there was never really a question of what kind of motors we're using. We always default to our Krakens because we do trust them and we have been using them for so long. And once again, we are in 2611, the Jacktown Vectors from Jackson, Michigan, and we wish you all the best of luck this season.